It's Thursday, late afternoon. It's like almost 4, and I have not ridden all week, so I'm going through withdrawals. And I wanted to try something before my race this weekend. I'm racing on Saturday, MBAA, the first round at McDowell. So I got this mount, not for the phone. I actually got this thing right here because I bought a light for night racing or night riding, and I want it to go right here, not over here. And so I got this thinking I could hook it like I do my phone mount right here, but I hooked it up last night when I rode to the gym, and it was really loose. And I don't know, I really want it right here. So what I might end up doing is fabricating some sort of piece of metal that goes into the screws here, and then it's just flat, and then the light screws into that. So we'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna like this right here, even though it's centered, which plays nicely with my OCD, but then I can't, pretty sure you're not gonna be able to see the wheel on the video. So we'll see. It's nice because it's right there, and it's like having my little navigation system ready and centered. So just gonna go out and play around, see what I can get into. All right. Ooh. This is my first time riding post-rain. We've got a little bit of rain the last couple of days. Part of the reason why I haven't ridden, I didn't want to ride and mess up the trails. I'm actually trying to decide what bike I want to race on Saturday. It's a cross-country race, but I really like this bike, and I probably should ride my Giant. But more than likely, I'll be taking this one. Swoop loop. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know if I can count that though. It's the first time I've made it up that, but it's also probably a little more tacky because of the rain. Boom. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try something a little different since it looks like the angle might work. Let's see what this looks like. You can see my face. gonna do swoop again. Might be too bouncy, but all right, swoop. Yeah, that was fun. God, I love that trail. It's so much fun. And I'm already so sweaty. All right, wonder how that turned out. I kind of want to go and see what is this way. Like if there's a way from here to branch over. It looks washy. Okay. That's pretty narrow. I think I might have came through here once. I think this is if you were to go straight, I see a spider web. If you were to go straight after coming up Heart Attack and around, like if you were to go straight instead of making that left, this is where that goes. But we will find out. Well, I guess if you wanted to get your technical on, just come down here. Ooh. Wow, this is so much better when it's wet. That's what she said. Ooh, this is kind of fun. Oh, this is fun. Yeah. Boom. This way. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I actually did one right after this, another ride with some friends on a more technical trail, and I'll be posting up a separate video for that. If you like this one, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. That would be great. And then you can click my little logo to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos. Alright, see you guys next time. Have a great weekend.